Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code from a short link page. So I'm going to click the plus link here. So you can give any destination URL. Let me give divsly.com/features. The title has fetched here. So if you enable this QR, a QR code is generated for the destination URL. I'm going to give a tag here, creating a short link here. So let me do a validation, small validation here. So pricing, I'll tell you why I have given this pricing as a slash tag. So when I'm gonna create it, creates. Now the type is website. If you see, when I create it, it has when the type has been changed, and when a short link alone is created, it is called as cut link in our terms. And let me show you the QR code page. You can see the new QR code created here. Once you copy this, either you can copy this QR code, this link, or you can copy the QR and paste it somewhere, or you can download the QR in these three formats, and you also have option to edit it. So let me click on the link. So it has taken me to the destination URL features.